Day 6 of the Charger with the glass and the vodka bottle. What's up, guys? David Midlife Crisis. I'm out here at the Melbourne Auditorium for Daily Driven Incorporated Florida's Finest 6 car show. So this is going to be a high-end stance, import style car show. Bunch of big builds. I just got here. I'm going to get some roll-in shots. I'm going to try to go to the pre-meet spot, come back in with the cruising. People are cruising and parking outside. We'll see what happens. So YouTube video, please like, please subscribe, hit the notification button. Let's get into it. Check it out. Bayside Blue R34 GTR. Sick. All right, so we got the minivan. There's already two minivans. There's one here and one here that are slammed. Here, got a slam BMW. This RCF. This thing is, I've seen this thing out before. This is insane. Audi TT. And the G37. That is dope. That thing is crazy. Wide body, slam stance. Got that clear top so you can see the intake. This is crazy, bro. Got like a GTR style intake. Like the fitment on the wheels with the wide body kit. That interior, oh man, I like that. Jesus Christ. That's dope. Trying to get some good shots while I can before they start playing music inside here, so I know they will be. Yeah, in here, like I said, this Audi TT, they're cleaning it up right now. There's the Midnight Blue, or the Bayside Blue GTR R34. Look at those mirrors. Sick. Check out the Supra. Alright, we're gonna keep rolling in through here. Check it out, this BMW. Pretty clean. Check out the Civic stance with the BBSs, that's pretty dope. Got a Subaru. Got some other Civics. BMW, Audi. I like the Audi, it's wide body. Check out the IS300. So that music is so loud, hopefully my voice will drown it out enough to not get a copyright hit. Check out the A Corolla. It's got hammers. That's cool. I like that. All right, so this is gonna be the outdoor show parking. We got a classic Chevelle SS, the Civic. This is Amanda's Hyundai Genesis. Got this really nice wrap on it. She's local in Orlando. That's always a route with the car shows, and she does the higher end car shows and stuff. So check out the wrap on this Ford Focus. That is dope. It's color changing. It's got rotiforms on it, carbon fiber hood. That's pretty, I like that. Looks good. All right, now I can get a good roll in while their music isn't playing. I guess he's just checking, doing sound check. But yeah, they got, this is definitely like a stance car show, lowered car show. Over here we got a Camry, airbag, we got an A Corolla. On the hammers, got like I said, really fat right now. The Audi. I mean, I am fat, but like with the wide body kit and the wheels on it. This BMW, I like the wheels on the BMW. This would be basically really clean builds. The stanced out BRZ with peach wrap, that is really, really clean, really clean. Got a Fiesta, wide body Fiesta. Civic. Just keep rolling in. Stance out. Subaru. Check out the twin turbo C6. Jonathan Harder had this in one of his videos before. This guy takes this out and rips this on the street. It's crazy. Yeah, he's got a roll bar that he can disconnect so he can get in and out of the car. He's got a parachute. He's on a street tire too, that's crazy. But yeah, twin turbo, high ram, Holley EFI high ram. Insane. Swerve's gonna be out here selling merchandise. More vendors selling merchandise. Here's where the Mopar gang's gonna be parked at. Already got it. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 Mopars. Also got a couple Camaros, it looks like. Yep. Check out this GTI. It's really dope. I like this. It's on Koenigs. It's clean. I'll show the back, but yeah. Koenigs. It's got a center lock cap on it, like with the aero disc in the front. I like that. That's pretty dope. So I think earlier, I called this an RCF. I was wrong. This is an LC500. It's actually bigger than the RCF. It's wide body. This is insane. I've seen this car out before at a car review, like I said. LC500, wide body. There's not one piece on this car that's like stock. Everything is completely custom. Yeah, check out this Tesla. It's got carbon fiber front splitter, carbon fiber arrow on the bottom, carbon fiber rear wing, carbon fiber diffuser, custom wheels, custom wrap. All right, so I got some of the cars rolling in and stuff, but the car show doesn't actually start for another hour and a half. There's a pre-meet and a cruise up here going on, back up north in Cocoa. So I'm gonna go up to that now, and I'm gonna try to hopefully get there on time, check out some of those cars, and then roll in with them back to the car show. So let's see how this goes. Look at that exhaust. That's crazy. All right, so I made it out to the meetup spot. It's the Flying J and Cocoa, but yeah, they got some cars already pulled up. There's the Caprice, dirty as hell. Got this 4.6 GT Mustang. Check out this crazy ass wide body SL500. That thing's crazy. Insane. So a bunch of cars pulled up. This one guy pulled up and it has a flat tire. So they're going ahead and they're trying to get him hooked up right now. Bro, I want a Ferrari. I want everything. I want $50 million. That's dope though. All right, so I cruised in with Right Lane Society and Mark. This is actually his SL500. So we had to help a guy because he had a flat tire. So we wanted to make sure he got on the spare. I did let him borrow my jack. Someone else had to let him borrow their lug nut thing, but he should be actually here any minute. He had to go a little slower, but yeah, we helped that cat out, and then yeah, we're all here now. I'm gonna go ahead and go back inside. I think all the cars should be in there now, obviously. Also, we'll do shots of the parking lot, but it'll have to be quick because of the music, so we'll go from there. Check out the C5, very clean. It's got a nice, cool little front lip on it. Got custom wheels. Pretty clean. And then over here, they got a 392, Grabber Green 392. So like I said, there's Mark's wide body SL500. Check out this Colorado, this four-door Colorado. Really good paint job on it. It's got a cowl hood on it, custom wheels. Got an S10. I used to have a square body S10. I love that truck. This truck came in with us, the Dodge to the Ram. And then over there, they've got Civic, Mazda 3 Series. There's my car, two 4.6 Mustangs. This guy we rode in with, you saw the roller. 899 Ducati, that's cool. This 8 Series, now this is badass. That's really clean, really clean. I'm gonna try it again. The first video I think looked bad, but yeah, this is a really clean S2000. Not like no crazy like JDM stupid mods on it. It was left nice. I don't know if that glass is original, but if it is, that's pretty cool with the S2000 engraving in it. Yeah, I got a couple Subarus over here. Here's a Silverado. Custom paint, custom wheels. Here's another older Silverado right here. Drag truck. Look at that interior. You know, that's a race transmission. Got gauges, custom gauges. 4-point harness in it on for both seats. Fuel cell, nitrous bottle. Look at that back tire. Hoosier Pro Street drag tire. Check out this Subaru, the WRX STI. That's clean. I really like that. Really like that. Like the wheels. Those are the STI wheels. Check out the truck. That's pretty clean. Classic style. I like that. There's a Super right there. Check out the newer LS Lexus. Check out the Drift 350Z. Pretty dope. It's got a big old wing on it. Look at, oh my god. Check that out right there. Look at all the tire markings from all the drifting. Check out this 3-valve with a tire on a tire. I like the color too. It says it's boosted also. Check out the Slam Mustang convertible. I've seen this when I'm around working in Brevard County. Check out the black on black Z06. That's badass. These are badass cars right here. This car was at the gas station earlier. This Nissan Sentra. Check out the turbo. Check out this Camaro. Looks a lot like the one that wrecked at Winter Garden, but it's not. Check out the Fox body with the classic Fox body rims. And he's got big old school 80s tires on it. Check out this Slam 3-valve. This is badass. Look at the fitment on the wheels. That's how you're supposed to do it. Look at the Golf. Just a little bit custom. Check out the LS 430. This is also from Right Lane Society. It was at the gas station earlier. I'm sorry, LS 400. Yeah, I'm outside again. Check out this C5. It's got some work. It's got a breather, oil breather on it. So it's definitely had some work done to it. Aftermarket exhaust. Yeah, it's starting to rain. Check out this Ferrari just pulled up. It's crazy. All right, it stopped raining, so it's cool. I got a couple co-workers that showed up today for this because we're in the Melbourne area and we were all working in Brevard County. Randy showed up with his family, and then my buddy James knows the guy that runs the whole show. So we're still got the Caprice out here. Here's the guys earlier that had the flat tire. They actually went to the tire shop and got it fixed. So good on them. Got some theme style cars over here. There's a Ninja Turtles Charger. This BMW, that's clean. That BMW is clean. This LS 400 is really clean. I think it's a 400. Is it? Or is it a 430? Yeah, it's a 400. Yeah, this is dope. So we got some other cars out here now. There's a Civic Type R. There's like that. There's Mark's SL 500. Check out the truck. Got a lifted truck. Let's see. Check out the Integra. It's tight. See anything new? I don't see anything else new that showed up. Oh wait, I made the 37 over here. Yeah, it's a 4-door 37. Or is it? Am I wrong? No, I'm not wrong. It's clean. Nice wheels. It's pretty cool. There's another 35 next to it. I gotta get my Infiniti fixed. This is crazy.
Paint area, like double cup boys, there's like heavy bangers.
Yo, check out the G37. It's lowered. Pretty clean. Really good condition. Not all clapped out. Not sure what kind of wheels those are on it, but I got the BMW SUV. It's probably like an X5 M whatever. Let's see. See what it is. Yeah, M50i. These things are fast. Alright, so they started the car limbo. They only got 3 cars. Alright, so the Integra almost is out. Like it was, and then the 350Z was like that. This guy's just coming through.
You're gonna have to shut the sunroof.
He's not gonna make it anyway. There's no way. And the 37 pulling up. Nope. Nah. It wasn't enough.
Technically, it would have fallen off.
She'll let me sit in it. It's gonna hit too.
Might as well.
All right, so now I'm gonna two-step it.
Wait, go back. You got 2 more miles. Get out.
Yeah, so that one G37 pulled away, but this next one pulled up, another black one. Like I said, I need to get my 35 fixed. This weekend has not been a good day for me for not having my VQ. I could have had it out at a bunch of cool events. So it's getting late. They're gonna do the awards soon, give out the trophies. So I'm gonna try to get that, and then I might get a couple interviews with a couple people that are here. So we'll go see what happens. Been here for a long time. I already had to charge my phone a little bit. So we're gonna get into it and finally get this video closed out.
Best of show. Thomas P with the G right here in the front.
All right.
So we're gonna take this man's trophy. I think he's won it multiple years now. Everything's touched. Suspension, custom one-of-one wheels, the engine bay, the carbon fiber, the paint matched interior parts, paint matched engine parts. It's a long, very, very long list, and it's an incredible build. 4 letters, 1 word.
Get them shots.
What an ass. Twin turbos. All right, I'm gonna get out of here. It's getting late. I want to try to go to another meet tonight, believe it or not, because tomorrow is, what is it? Tomorrow's Labor Day, so I got tomorrow off. So I'm gonna go to another meet, I think, and do a whole nother video for that meet. It's in Orlando, so it's about an hour and a half away from here. So I was trying to wait to get some other stuff done, but I can't wait no more. So I'm gonna go ahead and get going. Thanks for watching. Please like, please subscribe, please hit that notification button.